Well, what do we have tonight? We have my wall test. 3 identical size rings. The only difference is one was printed at 0.4, one was printed at 0.8, and one was printed at 1.2. Want to see how thick the walls need to be when you're designing and printing your items. As always, this is on my Prusa i3 MK3 using the cheapest filament they have at Amazon, which was $13.99 a roll, using Prusa Control at all defaults at 215, 60 degrees. Let's get started. Point 1. Yeah, some resistance, not a lot. Point 2. Definitely a lot stiffer. And point 3. Okay. Let's see what we get with these. Gonna apply a little mechanical advantage here. I can twist and distort this. Can't really crush it, but I can snap and break it. And that was the 1. 0.4. Let's try 0.2. Significantly harder to crush. Notice it didn't snap. Let's try the 0.3. And something happened with my 0.3 here. The layers are delaminating. I'm trying to find a spot that didn't do that so we can make the test valid, but it looks like all the layers delaminated on this filament for some reason. But definitely harder to crush. Alrighty,